Let's say you want to create a video where you want to show your screen, you want to do something on your screen, and you want to be able to record that effectively. How can you create videos showing your screen? In this video, I'm going to walk you through some tools that you can use to record your screen, and I'm simply going to refer to these as the best screen recorders available on the market completely for free. So in case you're wondering, what do you need a screen recorder for? A screen recorder can be used for recording video tutorials, for lecture recordings, for video trainings, for software bug reports, for demo videos, for how-to videos, for webinar recordings, presentations, for video walkthroughs. That is, you want to show them you want to walk through a process of how to do something. There are a lot of ways you can use video screen recorders. Now, some of them have upgrades that you can do, but a lot of them fairly have good ideas for you to start completely for free. So let's get into that. And I'm going to start with the first one, which is Flashback. Currently, Flashback works with Windows. Now there are two parts to Flashback. So they have Flashback screen recorder, which is Flashback Express, and Flashback Pro. Now Flashback screen recorder, Flashback Express, is completely free. You are not paying anything. It doesn't even have Watermark. And Flashback Pros comes with an editing suite. That is the difference between their paid version and their free version. It's a great tool for you to use if you just want to get started as fast as possible. Now, if you decide to upgrade is simply $49 for a lifetime use, and you can always use that for yourself. The second tool that I'm going to share with you is what I personally use. In fact, that's what I use to capture the videos that you're looking at in this current video, and the name is called Filmora Screen. Now, Filmora Screen comes with a suite of Filmora 9. That is, if you buy Filmora 9, you automatically get a screen recorder as part of the package. But you can also buy Filmora Screen separately. Even though the version that I'm currently using, which is the one that came with Filmora 9, is not as extended as some other tools in this list, I have enjoyed it so far because it has simply done the basic things I need Filmora to do, that I need my screen capture to do. Now, here's a caveat. Filmora Screen comes with, you can download it and try out for free, but I would recommend that you should get the paid version. If you can't get Filmora Screen, I recommend you get Filmora 9, and then you get the full screen recorder as part of that package. The next tool that you can use for recording screen is Screencastomatic. This is the most popular screen recorder I've ever found. I mean, it's so popular that almost everyone that teaches something online uses Screencastomatic. And the good part is that Screencastomatic comes with two versions as well. So there's the paid version, there is the free version. The free version comes with a watermark, that is, somewhere beneath your screen you are going to see Screencastomatic watermark being placed. But of course, if you want to remove that, you can always remove that. And interestingly, the paid version is very, very cheap. The paid version is just maybe $15 for an entire year. So that's how much the deluxe is, and then the premium is about maybe $30-something per year, and that's basically all that you are paying. You are not paying more than that, and you just pay it per year. And imagine paying $15 or $40 per year to use a tool that is this. I mean, it's so vast, because part of what you get with Screencastomatic is that it does easy video recorder. You can record your screen, you can add scripts if you want to add script, you can draw, and you can zoom while you are recording. There's screenshots, there's green screen, there is backup for your recordings, that is, it backs it up online for you, as well as you can add passwords to the videos that you record. So it has a lot of features that you won't get with the free version. I have to say here personally that maybe because I've not explored Filmora Screen that much, I don't know if you can zoom in while you're recording, but of course you can do that while you're using Screencastomatic. I don't know how to do that with Filmora yet, so maybe I'm going to uncover how to do that someday. I don't know. Now, moving on to the next tool, and that is a Powersoft free online screen recorder. Now, this is an online screen recorder that does your recording specifically online. Now, one of the things that I observe with this recorder is the fact that you can export to as many things. You can do a lot of other things. In fact, personally, I have used a Powersoft mirroring app before. That is, I used to mirror my phone on my laptop in order to be able to do some things. Maybe I'm recording, like right now I'm actually doing this recording on a phone, and so sometimes when I'm doing my recording, I am mirroring my recording to my laptop in order to be able to see exactly what I'm doing, especially when I'm recording using the back camera. So I'm mirroring it directly to my laptop so that I can see what I'm recording, so that I'm not out of frame and all that. But I didn't know then that they have a screen recorder until I began to search for free screen recorders that you can use, and then I landed on a Powersoft screen recorder. In fact, a Powersoft has a Powermirror. That's the name of their app, and I think you can use that for free if you want to mirror your phone to your laptop, which can be useful if you use your phone to record on, if you use your phone to capture your videos like I am doing right now. For example, I'm just using my phone to do this recording, nothing else, and that's just what I'm using. Some of the things you can do with a Powersoft free screen recorder, you see here that this is a Powermirror, which is a mirroring application. A Powersoft Unlimited kinds of come with a Powermirror, a video editor, and a Powerrec. So you have the video recording, you have the video editor as part of the package. So there's a Powermirror, a Power video editor, a Power recorder, and you can download and test it for free. Now, the interesting thing is that the free online version, the one that is this online version, the difference between the online version and the one that you will install is that when you want to use the online version is completely free. It doesn't have a watermark. What it does is it will need to install an app on your laptop. So it will tell you to download a launcher, and then once you download the launcher will install on your laptop so that you can now use the software online. If it doesn't do that, it might not be able to capture your screen. So you will need to first of all give it that approval in order for it to download to your laptop, and then begin to use the laptop so that I can kind of take over the screen of your laptop. That's the reason why it does that. Once you're done installing, the next thing you want to see is when you click on it, it's going to say open a Powersoft online launcher. Now, once you open it up, it's going to simply turn on your video, and then you are going to be able to capture your screen. Now, another tool that I'm going to mention here, which I have talked about before, is Loom. Loom as well is completely free. In fact, what I use Loom for a lot of times is I use Loom to capture videos, especially when I'm doing a website audit, or maybe when I'm doing a project, when I'm doing a project collaboration with someone, or I'm trying to utilize space. That is, once you record on Loom, it just saves it to the cloud, and then you can simply share the link instantly, and the person can watch instantly. So you don't even need to save to your laptop and upload and all that. That's one advantage that I have found with Loom. So Loom is another tool that you can use for recording your screen. But of course, Loom kind of works online. If you download it for offline use, which it has the offline use, if you download it for offline use, you'll be able to do some other things with it. So I would recommend that you check out Loom. So moving on to an advanced software, a way to capture your screen, which is completely free, even though it's a little technical. That software is called OBS, and OBS is simply called Open Broadcast Software. OBS is a studio software that you can use to capture anything that's going on your screen. You can use it to capture game, you can use it to capture PowerPoint slides. It is completely free. Now, you can check on YouTube for a video on how to set up OBS, but if you like a simple tutorial that I created, you can check the link in the description for a tutorial, an unedited tutorial of how to use OBS from beginning to the end, and how to set up OBS. And in fact, if you even check in the description as well, or in the card above my head right now, you will see a video of how to use your phone inside OBS. That is, to use your phone camera inside OBS, which I recommend that you actually check out, because sometimes your phone camera is a lot better than what you have inside your laptop. Sometimes, in fact, based on my own experience, my phone camera is even better than the Logitech webcam that I have here. So I recommend you check that out. And the last tool that I'm going to walk you through here is called Screenwreck. Now, Screenwreck comes completely free, no watermark as well. But the thing with Screenwreck is that currently Screenwreck does not have a Mac version. So It is Windows and Linux that are currently available. Now, one of the things that I observed with Screenwreck is that if you want to record, your recording is kind of backed up online, and it comes with 2 gig free cloud storage. That is, you can record up to 10 hours of screencast. So for your information, it's completely free. There is no watermark, there's no time limit, there's no advert. It comes with 2 gig storage, and you can capture your screen. You can do anything you want to do. You can do videos, you can explain anything. You can basically just use it for anything you want to do. And the interesting part is that as you are capturing your screen, there's instant replay. So just like Loom, it stores it as you are recording, it's storing it online. If you are not online and you want to use Screenwreck, does that mean it cannot work? Here's the thing, it actually does work. When you are offline and you're recording, it simply saves it as a temporary file that needs to be uploaded once you go online. So immediately you get back online, it starts uploading it for you so that you can have it as a backup, which is what I saw as an advantage, because sometimes you can do a recording and then your recording simply just gets spoiled and you're not able to use it anymore. But because there's or maybe something corrupts the file and you're not able to use it anymore. So with a backup like that, it makes your video safe and you can share it with anyone. So that's for Screenwreck. Now that I've given you the tools for you to record your screen, I hope that you're able to utilize this to a better advantage in your business. Here's the thing. Mastering how to create videos in such a way that is simple, fast, and easy for you is something that you should always do, which is why I'm going to recommend that you check out the video on my screen right now. The video simply walks you through how to record, edit, and upload a video with your phone. That is, you start from scratch to the end, from start to finish with just your phone. I am Dio Samuel again, and this is Audacity2Lead, where we give you the courage and the necessary insights you need to lead your business in the direction that matters to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm going to see you next time.